morning guys, welcome back to a brand new vlog. So today I'm going to be hanging out with my friend and I just wanted to take you guys along for the day. So here is the outfit that I chose to wear and hopefully it's cute, otherwise I'm going to have to find something else to wear. So let's try this on, I guess. So I'm applying sunscreen. I'm not exactly sure what we're doing today. I guess we're just going to be like hanging out, maybe going out to eat somewhere, not totally sure. Side, and this is probably not a good place to be recording, but let's go. Oh god. Okay. So I am going out with my friend today, and I've never... Yep, I knew that was gonna happen. Oop, I have never vlogged while driving before. This might be a little dangerous. I'm going to turn off my camera, and please, if you are driving, do not do what I am doing. Okay, so as you guys probably can tell, I did change my outfit because I did not like the one that I was wearing before. I don't know, it was like too much denim, I guess. I don't know. And I need to fill gas. I have no gas in my car. Oh god. I've been driving with one hand. I'm gonna turn off the camera soon. So let's see if this works out. Okay, catch y'all soon.
Oh my god, you brought your camera.
I brought my camera. I wanted to try vlogging. I tried
so cool.
Driving with one hand like this.
Oh,
it
nice.
was really bad. Say hello to my camera.
Hello, I look ratchet, but that's fine.
I also look mad. Okay, anyways.
I love your earrings. I love them so much. Where'd you get them?
I got them from Amazon.
Oh, okay, great.
Okay, wait, where do you want to go first?
It's up to you, wherever we can get a drive-thru.
Okay, because I want to go to the gas station first. Then I want to go to, we're gonna find somewhere to go.
Oh, sure,
Are we gonna walk? Okay, we'll figure something out.
We can... See, this works. Yo, we have a DC playlist. Did you add songs anyway?
No, I listened to some of the songs in the playlist. I opened it just like a few days ago and I was like, oh, look at the songs.
We can't go to CN Tower, that's too far away.
CN Tower?
That's what I said.
Why is that in your search? Okay, let's go get gas first, I guess.
And then we'll figure it out. I'm sure we can figure something out.
Okay, guys, we are hopping in. I think this is a decent place to...
I need pants, but none of the malls are open, and I don't like shopping at in specific stores.
Yeah.
I just like browsing usually, and I can't do anything online because
I'm sick of online shopping.
Exactly, I can't do anything online. Well, no, I could do online if I wanted to, but I don't because every time I do, they get the sizes wrong.
I also just want to be in a physical store and feel the clothes.
Like my shoes. We're getting gas for her car. We're strong, independent, freaking women. We don't need no man. Look at her. Did she just agree? Probably. Oh. Hi. Oh, one thing I do miss about the haircut is the length, because I had decently...
I thought I cut a lot off, but I ended up cutting a little. Let's see how this struggle with this.
Unfortunate struggles.
Oh, keep forgetting which way this is. Okay. Hi guys, we made it to Heartland because we took forever to decide where to go.
Because she's indecisive. That's something you should know about her. She's extremely indecisive.
Anyways.
Just ignores.
Panera bread is an option here. We have Subway, we have McDonald's, we have Second Cup, Tandoori Flame. I don't know what exactly we want to eat. We're still deciding. I don't know what you want to eat.
Anything vegetarian, because sauce. What do you like that?
Yeah. So she is vegetarian, whereas I can eat meat as long as it's halal.
There's a plant-based.
So weird recording. I don't feel comfortable.
They have a Greek salad. This is plant-based, right? I don't know if they're halal. I should check that.
That's Panera's menu. Ooh.
Yeah, they have like you know.
Wait, they have pizza too?
They have flatbreads, yes. Flatbreads, pizzas.
I think they might have a lot of options.
You want to check?
We can check, yeah.
This is so cool.
I'm not eating pepperoni.
I've never had pepperoni in my life, so I have no idea how that tastes. There's a kids menu, sides. You wanted to try something?
Okay. Here. You can talk to my camera a little bit.
Hey guys. Yeah, she's looking at the menu and we're just vibing in the car, listening to desi music.
Yeah.
Or brown music.
You want to eat a flatbread?
Yeah, do you want to get one and we can share it?
Share it,
like
yeah.
that?
Yeah,
That would be cool. Probably gonna get, like, I'm kind of scared. Oh my god, I have the biggest story for y'all.
Look at your case, by the way. It's so cool. Yes,
yeah.
Go ahead.
So, my my
Incorporate my face too, so you can see my reactions.
my access card broke and I had to get an. Oh, I don't think they have like an outdoor.
My camera died. No, it didn't die. What am I saying? The storage
SD
got
card.
used up. Yeah, the SD
Used
card used up. So okay, so what are you getting? I want to get the cheese flatbread.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I mean, that's the only thing I think.
Do you want to get a salad as well? Like, I want to get a salad, so I can probably get that for myself unless you want a salad too.
It's probably not gonna be enough. That's what I'm thinking. Hold on, let's look at the salads. Oh, I missed eating Caesar salads with chicken.
Do they have a Caesar salad with
chicken?
Yes.
Yes.
Without chicken.
Yes, they do.
Okay, I'll get a Caesar salad for myself, and then you can get another salad.
Oh, it's these. They have like this. I want to see what's up. Okay, let's see.
It's really pretty.
We got food. PD dubs.
And I got this like Panera drink. What is it?
It's mango Greek
yogurt smoothie. Yeah.
Benjamin.
Bench. So cool here. Okay, I'll just hold on.
I want to like.
I got chips. Oh, that's so cute. I love like chips. Ooh, that's a nice sandwich. Update, we are here sitting on the grass because it's kind of cold with the wind and the shade.
And,
The sunlight's great.
100% sure somebody's gonna think that we're watching him.
Okay, great. Good. Now I'm gonna eat my Caesar salad. Ow, I just pricked myself. I'm gonna eat a Caesar salad. Yeah, do it. That's so cool though.
If this is enough, this is what I would get for.
If it comes from Greece, it counts as fruit.
What?
It is 8:09 already. Wow. Okay, we're gonna go. We just came back from.
Walmart.
I can't even wait. Let me turn this around. We just came back from Walmart. Walmart.
The sun is in my eye.
The sun's right in my. Okay, and we're gonna go get some ice cream from Baskin Robbins. Maybe. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Baskin Robbins.
Yeah, we'll go to Baskin Robbins. So I can't even. Okay, we're gonna go get some ice cream and then walk.
You the highlight though.
This is what golden hour is like.
We'll see you in a minute.
In a minute. Here we go. Okay, so we went to Baskin Robbins and then we just drove home. I'm home now and I had a lot of fun today. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this part of the vlog. I don't know if this is going to be its own entire vlog or if it'll connect it to something else. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one then. Bye guys! Vlogging is kind of weird. It's really weird. I'm not used to it.